Hi mga kagwaps, mga kalingap, mapagpalang tanghali, hapon, umaga sa ating lahat. Shout out po sa lahat ng viewers for today's vlog. Carlota, ikaw pala yung lakad ng lakad dyan. Kamusta na? Anong meron? Ha, Carlota? Ha? Bakit may video okay? Ah, nandyan? Sino pa? Ha? Ay, shout out. Carlota, shout out. May dala akong ano. May dala akong gamot, Jai. Saan si mama mo? Ha? Itabi mo yan, Carlota. Itabi mo, kay gamot mo yan. Just as I up, kakanta si Carlota. Yun, shout out. Yan, shout out kay Ma'am Sisaline. Kay Ma'am Dina. Carlota, i-shout out mo dito si Ma'am Dina. Yan, si Ma'am Sisaline, i-shout out mo. Kamusta ka mo? Kamusta Ma'am Sisaline, Ma'am Dina, Ma'am Miss White from Japan. Shout out kay Tita Rose. Siyempre kay Kuya Bal. Kalinga partners sa lahat. Yan, sa lahat ng Kalinga partners, sa lahat ng Kalinga viewers. Pakinggan natin yung kanta ni Carlota. Bakit may trapal kayo? Nagtrapal kayo kanina? May ulan ba dito? Ah, tabingan. Just as I am. Ayan. Uy! Oh, Kuya Noni, ikaw muna, Kuya Noni. Bilisan mo na, dali na di. Tapos sunod ako. Yung, tingnan mo daw yung ano dyan, yung skyline pigeon. Number. Dali na, Kuya Noni, halika na. Kantahin mo na muna ito. S. Ayan dyan.
Pwede mahali sila atin.
SK.
Hindi ko po yung ano.
Dyan.
Alam niya ni Noni yung number.
Alam ni Noni yung kabisado na ni Kuya Noni. Gulat ako sa Kuya Noni, ah. Uy, ayan na. Lagi yan, naghahanap ka pa si Kuya Noni, nagpindot na. Dali. Play. Uy, kakanta ako pagkatapos. Kumain na si Carlota? Woo! From your head. Sayaw tayo, mamilin. Over green hills.
And forest fountain. the smell of new born hay, to laugh and cry, to live and die in the brightness of my day. I wanna hear ringing bells of peace and joy to sing the blossom of this dreamy pride is taking off my wings.
Sorry, natumba.
Towards the sun, forget the skyline, pigeon dreaming in the open, waiting for the day that we can spread its wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon fly towards the dream you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind.
Oh, magpindot ka pa, Kuya Noni. Isa pa. Isa pa. Dali. Ay, grabe, good singer. O Carlota, ano mo, kakantahin mo? Tagalog? Hello, hello. Uy, wala lagi. Hello, hello. Ay, naku, copyright ito. Copyright siya. Ito tayo, Carlota. Anong to kantahin? Pasensya na kayo guys, amor mo kumanta. Para sa mga solid rich vlog, ito yung ating handog sa inyo.
When I think like the world's gone, I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears. On our own, I've been so far. We've soared at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, so true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone. I've been stirred out as once before, and they made me blue. All alone in my heart I glow. There's one thing in my life that still rings true. Can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why you're where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. I had to chase one place to spend the rest of my days. Wherever will do.
forevermore. As the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you.
Akala ko hindi nakaplay, nakaplay pala. Sige, live tayo ulit. Try, hindi ko alam kung ano. Live natin. Carlota, kanta na! Dali na, Carlota. Nasaan ka na, Jai? Ha? Uhaw? Akala ko, oh, sige na, uhaw, isalan mo daw. Tingnan natin. Kung kaya natin kantahin.
Hindi ko yun alam.
Yung uhaw? Sige daw. Tingnan doon yung ano ko. Magpapalisi ako ng damit at kapawis ako. Jay, takbo yung ano ko, Jay. Yung ano, Jay, yung t-shirt kong itim at ako yung sarit, ang init eh. Kasi sa kuwan, sasakyan.
Wow!
Ano daw pero niya? Agoy, ano ba yan? Ano natin ang kao?
Wawala.
Wala ba nga? Masisira lalo yung ano mo.
Kuya!
Daan nagutom si Carlota, may pansit tayo.
When times get rough and your dreams just pull apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and blank, and we see nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart, for my love will see you through. When you climb the highest hill everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, for love will see you through.
Wala si Manlon! Wala si Bina! Sayang! Galing natin! Ano pa, Kuya Noni?
Magaling ka palang kumano.
Oo nga, magaling yan si Kuya Noni.
Bye! Ito pa.
Hello, Kuya Noni, Bira! Kanta ka pa!
Kain na kayong bilandan.
Ah, sige po.
Gawa po ninyo ito. Yan, gawa ng mga ano pa. Really? Hindi pa
Ano
na
pa
kami
sila
nagtay.
ngayon? Ah, sa Mount Tanit? Maganda nga
Yan,
doon. Ano?
may swimming pool pa gano'n.
Meron?
Maalam pa ito maglangoy-langoy.
Ha?
Maalam.
Oh, magaling yan. Nag-swimming yan?
Nag-swimming. Tatating pa lang. Ay, kung ginagawa mga bra, kung alin.
Tikman natin to, Carlota. Masarap ba ito, Carlota? Asan si Jai?
Naroon pa nga sila eh. Iniwanan na namin yung lupa.
Kain tayo, kain, no? Copyright yung ano natin. Copyright yung ating vlog kay may kantahan. Sarap naman dito. Ano ba kayo nila? Kanta ka pa. Naligo ata yun si Jai?
Ha?
Naligo ata yun si Jai?
Ay, maligo yan doon. Paano pa yun? Hindi nagsawa sa tubig.
Yung tiya niya. Ang ba?
Ay, minsan niya.
Ha? Oo.
Sino ang dumating?
Ang Carlota, kanta ka Carlota.
Kaya nakalis mo. Ano ba ganini o? Yung kasama siya dyan. Alis din sila mo. Wala ako sinubuka. Ngayon hindi na makikita doon. Kaya sabi ko din na kayo sasama. Kalabasa? Sasan. Ano ka na lang ng tubig? Ket, naroon ba kasi Kuya? Dahil mo, oh. Naroon ba kasi Kuya Jay?
Ano ko lang?
Ikaw po.
Ha? Masarap ito, oh.
4. 2. Maliligo pa rin. 8. 6. Saan? At yan sa...
Tulog mo ngayon yan, Kuya Noni.
Long as you love me, all the loneliness has always been a friend of mine. Leaving my life in your hands. People say I'm crazy and that I'm blind, risking it all in a glance. How you got me blind is still a mystery. Can't get you out of my head. Don't care what is written in your history, as long as you're hearing me. I don't care who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long
this way.
Remember us. Ano ata ni Noni kantay na? Kantay mo na kaya nga yung kanton nyo kanina. Kaya mo atang,
1970.
kaya mo yun. Sige daw? Ano daw?
Remember me, remember me, remember me.
Remember me this way. Ano si Lady Gaga? Bakit hindi si Lady Gaga? Remember us this way? Remember us this way? Sige daw, kaya Noni, kantay mo daw yun yung, ano nga nabi yung, ang hiling yung kanton nyo kanina.
1977.
Sige, pakanta mo kay Kuya Noni.
9, 9,
7-7.
7, 7.
Kaya mo yan, Kuya Noni. Kaya mo yan.
Hindi ko kaya.
Kaya yan. Panahon mo yan eh. Kaya mo yan, panahon mo yan.
When I think like the words can
3, 2, 1, 8.
Anong kanta yan? Ano nga yun? Nagana siya?
Follow me, Texas. You followed me till death. We didn't find it there, so we move on. You went with me to Alabama. Things are good in Birmingham. Didn't find it there, so we move on. I know you're tired of following my elusive dreams and schemes, wanting only fleeting things, my elusive dreams. You and my child in Memphis, then I had to work in Nashville. We didn't find it there, so we move on to a small farm in Nebraska, to a gold mine in Alaska. We didn't find it there, so we move on. Now, Alaska, because there was no gold mine. Next time we grew up and moves on. I know you're tired of following my elusive dreams and schemes, wanting only fleeting things, my elusive dreams, wanting only fleeting things, my elusive dreams.
Perfect? Oh, sino pang kakanta kay Luta? Makanta ka naman. Wala na? Air supply kay Noni. Kantahin mo kay Noni. Air supply. Air supply.
Tayo mo na yung lalaki mo.
Ikaw na kumanta. Ikaw ang alam eh. Ikaw na kumanta.
Malamang yun.
You Delilah. Ha? Ayun o, ang daming you o. Ay, dito. Asan na? Sana yung ano dito, yung may binibagay, kantayin natin. Sige daw, number. Sa mamilin, kantayin ko.
1119.
1, 1.
1-9.
Dalawang tatlong one.
9.
Saan nag-enter
Play,
dito?
play, play.
Ah, play. Okay, Luka, alam mo to?
You're stuck, I know. I'm feeling so low. You took my hand, eased my mind. I was astray. You showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. You were always there to lend a helping hand when good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made it right. You made my days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. Now you look at me, yes, a different me. Back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again.
Woo! Oh, ikaw na kaya, Noni. Oh, dali. Ay, ikaw ulitin ka tayo na. Oo, baka mahulog. Ano, may naano ka pa? Ano? Kakanta na yan. Kakanta pa yan. Dagdagan mo pa.
Magaling pa yan kung kumanta.
Ha?
Magaling pa yan
Oo,
kumanta.
madali yan. Sige, kumanta.
Eight. 5. 2.
Ikaw kumanta, mamilin. Ikaw kumanta.
Yan.